this week's video of installing new taillights on my girlfriend's Mark 6 GTI. First things first, I'm the realist. Okay, so my opinion, where I started was over here, both sides. The way I did it, unless yours has a slit, yours does not. I think I made a slit in mine to make it easier. You got to pull these out. Oh no, there is a slit. So I'll do this one, you can do the other one. Maybe. Just like so. And then you're gonna turn that, and then that's gonna let you unplug everything, and then the taillight pops out. So once you take the screw out, you have a clip up top. And you're gonna have to pull that out, and then the light should literally just put one out, one to go over here. The hardest part are gonna be these ones. I don't know if I already said this in the video, but we're gonna watch another YouTube video to exactly get what we're doing, but I think this might have to come off because wires are gonna connect like together. And for some reason, I thought on my GTI, I needed to throw a wire through here. Maybe not, hopefully not, because that would be a huge pain. All right, so once you take these bad boys out, this is out. Also, let me show you. The headlight or the taillight clips in here, so it might be like a little hard to come out. But then you're gonna have two screws up here, one there, and I believe it's what, a T20? Yeah. Little T20. And then from my knowledge, you're gonna take like the plastic plier things and pry this all off of the top. And then that's gonna give us access because you're gonna have a bunch of wiring, and like these are going to be taped to the metal on the actual hatch itself behind all of this plastic. All right, I didn't just poop my pants. Okay, you don't even need the plastic things. You can rip them from the thing right there. Now, honestly, that might be enough room to tape that in there. Oh yeah, that's plenty. You're Gucci. You don't even need to take the whole thing off. But yeah, once you take the bolts out, grab on her, pull on her, and then we should have, I believe it's this one here and this one here, and this other taillight right here should be able to pop out. I think this piece also comes off. You might need a flathead to pry it off here from my knowledge, but yeah, we'll cut back to you guys in just a second. All right, you're going to take this piece out of the top up here. It's easiest to pry it from like right in here and just pull it down, but there should be clips all the way around. Rip. Once you take that down, hopefully your headliner is not sagging. You're going to take out this bolt, and that's going to give you access to both of these, one on each side. Just kind of pull them down. You don't have to take them out all the way. And then I'll cut back to you guys in a second. You're going to pretty much fish the wire up through here from my knowledge. So once you take this bolt out, you're pretty much going to hold this down probably about right here. You could probably take this all the way out, but it might be even a more pain. So we're gonna see if we can get it through just like this. But from my knowledge, it's gonna have to go up through this grommet and this one as well. So right now we're taking out the two little nuts here. It's an 8mm. She knew it off the rip. And then that should let you push this taillight right here kind of up and just pull it out. So you're gonna take the taillight, shove her right down in the hole. And then we're gonna test everything to make sure it all works before we actually send it all through. So with these, you wanna go ahead and test this. So they're all separate pieces. We plugged in this piece here, we plugged in this piece right here, this piece right here. And then we took the one on the back of the taillight and plugged it in right here. And the sequentials do work. Operation, we couldn't fit it through the hole, so we cut it, we butt connected it up here so that it was easier to go through the hole, and now we can just literally hide this like back up in here, and then we should be good. But everything's in. Time to get her all buttoned up, fix the headliner, and she'll be ready. And just like that, the taillights are on, and they honestly look really good. In terms of fitment, this is fitment you get. So we put silicone all in the crack because there's honestly a huge crack between here and the actual car itself. So we filled that up because if you don't, you can, and you probably will, get water all in your spare tire well. Anyway, they look great. Sequential work looks great. Overall, they're pretty good. Each taillight has like little boogers like this, but you can't see it really when the hatch itself is closed. At night, you can see it more because it's kind of like white, but during the day, it's literally not noticeable at all. For a set of taillights that are under $300, I think, honestly, it's pretty good. The taillights on my GTI, I think I spent like close to $400, $500 on mine when I first got them. And honestly, pretty much same quality. The only thing strange about these that my car does not have, when you reverse this car, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a picture on the screen right here. But pretty much, as you guys saw, the taillights in reverse, one is white and one is red. And I believe that's for European, like, I don't know anything, I'm just guessing. But yeah, that's the only weird thing about them. Otherwise, they look great, they work great. And I'll give you guys an update when we're about 6 months in with these taillights. It's gonna go ahead and wrap up this week's video of installing new taillights on my girlfriend's Mark 6 GTI. And if you didn't watch the last video, we also have the Vland Mark 8 style taillights for her Mark 6 as well. So we have Vland taillights in the front, Vland taillights in the rear. We're going to Low Show, so I have to end this video. If you want more content, check out our Instagram. I'll link both of them below, Ian.MK6 and AmyLynn.MK6. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next week for the next video, and it's gonna be a banger because we are going to Low Show and driving both cars, and one of them seems to be on the verge of blowing up all the way 8 hours to Pottstown, Pennsylvania. So yeah, we'll see you guys next week. I love you guys. Take it easy.